Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In this video I want to talk about this device in detail, so I think I'm going to make it very slowly so that I won't forget anything. Okay, let me start with this secondary coil. I think I'm going to turn on the light. Okay, turn it off again. I use 0.5 millimeter diameter copper wire, and the winding size is 71 centimeter. Here I have 40 centimeter ruler. So you can get the idea about the size of this secondary coil, and the diameter of this coil is 16.5 centimeter, or this is actually 6-inch PVC pipe. Okay, this is the bottom of the coil. I'm going to show you the inside of the coil. Turn on the light. Okay, looks like that. And I use solid wood as base. This is solid wood from jackfruit tree. Okay, and the primary coil is from copper pipe with diameter of 9 millimeter. Okay, and this is a stainless steel bowl. I think you can see the okay, this is normal stainless steel bowl as a top load. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to move to the driver box. As you can see from my previous video, I have here 2 meters. They are DC meters. This voltmeter has a range of 100 volts, and this is the amp meter. The maximum of this meter is 10 amps. Okay, and there are 3 terminals, 2 terminals for the primary coil. It has the red color and black color. Going to turn on the light. Okay, this is the black color, and this is the red color terminal, and the blue color terminal is for the feedback from the secondary coil. Okay, this box is also made of jackfruit wood. This is massive wood. Okay, now let's see the other side of this driver box. This is the rear side. Here we have the power cord. Okay, this is normal, I don't know, in German they call it a Kaltgerät-Stecker, and it has a switch with neon light inside, and here there is a fuse. Okay, you can just pop up the fuse if the fuse is burned or something like that. This is 4 amps fuse. Okay, now let's move to this left side of the driver box. This is the heat sink, and you can see that there is a fan on the other side, and this fan draws the air from inside the box to the this draws the air from inside the box to the outside. Okay, and what I did was the air goes from this side, go into the box, at the front and rear side of this housing, and then it goes through the transformer, so that the transformer gets cooled also by the air. Okay, we talked already about this exhaust fan. Okay, now we can go on to the inside of this driver box. This is the power, how you call it, terminal, and from here it goes to the transformer. This is 32 volts CT transformer, and then from there it goes to the AC current goes to the bridge diode. Okay, and then from there the DC current goes to these 2 meters to the voltmeter and the amp meter, and then here we have the Slayer exciter circuit. Okay, this is a very simple circuit and it works very well. Okay, and this is the exhaust fan. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. This is the box cover. I have here a marking so that we know that this side goes here. Let's try to mount this. Okay. For this demonstration, I will just mount 2 screws. Okay. And here I have another marking. This is for the coil position here. Now I have to put this camera on this tripod. Wait a minute. And then you can mount this coil on the box, on the driver box. Okay. Now we can plug the these cables to the terminal. This is the red cable to the red terminal, black cable to the black terminal, and blue cable to the blue terminal. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to talk about this glass jar. This is a 2-liter glass jar. I'm going to show you the size. The height is about 17 centimeters, and about 14 centimeters okay. And on the lid I put this is a stainless steel screw. Okay, with a sharp point here, sharp end. Okay. And here I have a aluminum foil inside this plastic lamination. So it is laminated aluminum foil. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate this device. I'm going to connect this copper wire to the lid of this glass jar. Okay, by the way, I have to say something about this the power that we can use. Okay, the input AC power we can drive the system with maximum 200 volt AC, but this is the absolute maximum rating, and if we drive this device with 200 volt AC, the transistor and the transformer, inside this wooden box, will be very hot. So it is not recommended to drive this device on 200 volts AC for a long time. Okay, you can drive it safely with around 100 or 110 or 120 volts for a long time. It is stable. Now I'm going to turn on the this power supply, and then I'm going to increase the voltage. This is the 2 amps. Okay, and then we can see the plasma inside the jar. Okay, now I'm going to reduce the voltage to 120 volts, and then I'm going to show you something. This is a plasma, and this is a cold plasma. As long as we move our finger, we don't feel anything. Okay, and even though the power is quite low, but the output power is very strong. I'm going to show you something. So This is quite strong system. And the same thing here. Sorry, I'm going to get something. Anything on this box is how you call it, activated. Let's try with this light. Okay. So don't touch any metal part on this device when this device is in operation. Okay. Let's go to the rear of this. The light is on. Okay. Now let's try with this 230 volt light bulb. So this device has strong radiation. So we have to be very careful with this Tesla coil or plasma generator. Okay. Again, here I want to show you something. And also here. Okay, the current input is quite low, it's only 1 amp. Okay, goes back to normal. Okay, I think that's it for now. This is the complete setup. Until next video, bye bye.